Hello kids, Prinzy here. Today I will teach you how to draw Masha and the bear. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. First I am going to draw Masha's face. Let's draw her scarf first. Now I am going to draw her face. Draw with me kids. Great! Now I am going to use brush marker for drawing Masha's face. First I am drawing her beautiful eyes. Now I am drawing her nose and drawing her second eye. Now I am drawing her smiley face. Now I am going to complete Masha's eyes. Great! Now I'm going to draw her eyebrows. Great kids! Now I'm going to finish Masha's body and her dress. First I'm going to draw her scarf around her face. Now it's time to draw her body. Now I'm going to draw her one hand like this. And she's playing with a beautiful butterfly. Let's draw our butterfly. Great! Now I am going to draw our cute bear. First I am going to draw our bear's nose. Now I am going to draw our bear's face basic structure. Like this. Great! Now I am going to draw our bear's eyebrows and his eyes. Now I am going to draw his smiley face. Let's enhance our bear's eyes. Now I am going to complete his body. Now I'm going to draw his one hand like this. Now I'm going to draw his nails. Now I'm going to draw his second hand. First I'm going to draw his nails. Our bear have very long nails. Great! Our picture is ready. Now I'm going to enhance the picture. Great! It is more visible to us now. Let's color our picture. For Masha's scarf and dress, I am using bright pink color. Now I am using sea blue color for her dress. Great! Now I am using golden color for Masha's hair. Now I am using cream color for her face. Great! Now I am going to use bright red color for her smiley face. Let's draw her tongue and her teeth. Now I am using sea blue color for her eyes. Great! Let's color our butterfly orange. It's time to color our bear. I am using brown color for our bear. For his nose, I am using grey color. Now I am using golden yellow color for his inner fur. Now I'm going to use the same color for his face as well. Now I am using brown color for his nails. Great job, kids! Our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.